Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make a game in Roblox. Now, to get started, we need to install something called Roblox Studio. So, on this search bar up here, you want to search up something called Roblox Studio here, right? Now, click on Roblox Studio, and on Roblox Studio, you want to click on Start Creating. Now, you can see I already have Roblox Studio installed, but if you don't, click on this Download Studio, and then it'll install Roblox Studio on your computer like this, right? And once you click on this to install, we can now open something called Roblox Studio. So click on Open Roblox Studio like this, and you'll open our app. Now this is their game engine, right? And we're gonna use this to make games. Now we can just click on, I'm just gonna close that, and I'm gonna close this as well. Now you can start making games. There's also a lot of pre-made templates here you can already use. So for example, a platformer here. Now if I click on this, you can see we already have a game right here on Roblox. Now you can start messing around, adding vehicles, structures, slides, and all of these stuff. Now there's no way I could give you a full tutorial on how everything on this studio works. So of course, just mess around with it and then see how you like making a game in Roblox. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.